Alright, so which of the following is equivalent to this expression right here? So A, B, C, D. Alright, so whenever there is a fraction within a fraction, so if you have a fraction within a fraction, you can simply multiply everything, multiply by the least common multiple of the denominators. So the denominators are, if you look carefully, so you have the x plus 3 and x minus 2. There's nothing in common between x plus 3 and x minus 2. So the least common multiple is x plus 3 and x times by x minus 2. So if you multiply everything by that, so I'm going to write this thing here, x plus 3 plus 1 on x minus 2. I'm going to multiply the top and bottom by x plus 3, x minus 2, and this is x plus 3, and x minus 2 here. Then the top just becomes, it's just a 1 times by this whole thing. So that's equal to x plus 3, x minus 2. And we need to apply a distributivity, the law of distributivity to this bottom multiplication here. So this is just a one term right here, but this term involves actually two terms here. So it's like a plus b. So if in a situation where you have like a plus b times by c, you would do it by a times by c and b times by c. So this is ac plus bc. It's sort of the same thing here. So it's this term multiplied by that, and plus this term multiplied by that. In that case, you get, so what's this term multiplied by that? In that case, the x plus 3 and x plus 3 will cancel out, and you have x minus 2. And plus, you'll have plus this term multiplied by this term, x minus 2 will cancel out, so you have x plus 3. Of course, you can put brackets there, but because there is no negative value in this bracket, so you don't actually need the brackets there. You can get rid of it. And if you expand it out, then you get, what is that? X plus x, that's 2x, and then minus 2 plus 3 is plus 1. And on the top, you have x squared, so that times that is x squared. And this time this is 3x, and this time this is minus 2x, so that gives us minus x. And minus 3 times minus 2 is minus 6. So the answer is B.